I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get mint green color. We'll explore the primary colors needed and how to adjust them for the perfect shade. You'll learn about adding white to lighten the color and a hint of blue to cool it down. This process is straightforward and yields beautiful results for various creative projects. To begin, you'll need a good quality green paint as your foundation. Next, introduce a small amount of blue paint into your green. This blue component is crucial for giving mint green its characteristic cool undertone. Mix these two colors together very well until you have a uniform and consistent shade. Once your green and blue are blended, it's time to lighten the shade. Slowly incorporate white paint into your mixture. White not only brightens the color but also gives it that soft, pastel quality. Add white in small increments, mixing thoroughly after each addition until you achieve your preferred level of lightness and vibrancy. Now for the final adjustments. If your mint green appears too warm, add another tiny drop of blue to cool it down. Conversely, if it's too cool, a small amount of green will warm it up. Remember, small additions make a big difference. Keep mixing and testing until your mint green is just right for your project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.